Hello everyone. This question PYQs of the CUET exam 2023. The question was given alkyl halide with the molecular formula C5H11Br undergo the dehydrohalogenation, give the two isomeric alkane X and Y with the molecular formula. It's a C5H10. So same molecular formula and different structure of alkene system, I am going to get that. So that is nothing but X and Y. So on reductive ozonolysis, you got the X and Y, gave the 4 compound for the ethanol and acetone and 2-methyl propanol you are going to get and formaldehyde. So now I am writing the pattern of this question. I have the alkyl haloalkane. Its molecular formula C5H11Br. So once you undergoing the dehydrohalogenation, I treated with the alcoholic base, it undergo the beta hydrogen elimination. So I got the two isomeric alkanes of X and Y. So both have the molecular formula of the C5 and H10. Okay, so X, it's undergoing the ozonolysis product. Ozonolysis, I got the unstable intermediate of the ozonide. After doing the cyclization mechanism, I got the product of ethanol and acetone. And acetone, I am going to get that. And third one, 2-methyl methyl twice and CHCHO, CH3 for Y. For the Y component, I am going to get the CH3 twice and CH and a single bond and a formaldehyde. Sorry, it is a aldehyde. So what is the compound? It is a CH3. Double the time I am going to get that. Okay. So now, and last one, it is a formaldehyde. Last one, it is a formaldehyde. So before the step of the X, so it is a corresponding alkene system. So once you got the ozonolysis, you got the carbonyl system. So you just eliminate that oxygen, you just merge to the carbon-carbon double bond. So this type of alkene system, I am going to get that in this particular X position. Similarly, you can eliminate the two number of oxygen and connected through the carbon-carbon double bond. So this type of alkene system, you are going to get that Y. So now you got the carbon-carbon double bond system. So according to the Cbse&Cuet, okay. So in the beta hydrogen elimination, okay, this process, carbon-carbon single bond, it's converted into carbon-carbon double bond. The bond order is increased. Where it is increased, it is a elimination process only. Suppose if it is a reversible process means, bond order is increasing, okay, increasing, higher order to low order means it is a addition reaction. It is a addition reaction. So first of all, according to the beta hydrogen elimination, around the carbon-carbon double bond, okay, which carbon has the more number of alkyl group, it is a major one. In this carbon-carbon double bond, I have the hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and one R group. But in this case, I have the 1-methyl R group and second and third. So this would be the major one. So once you, and what about that alkane system, it's converted into the haloalkane means definitely it's a hydrohalogenation, addition process of the hydrogen halide. So when you, what type of halogen will be added here? It's bromine. So definitely here I'm going to add with the HBr. So nucleophile of the bromide ion, where it is attacked around the, according to the Markovnikov rule, around the carbon-carbon double bond, which carbon has the less number of hydrogen, so that particular carbon only is nucleophile going to be added to that. So here carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So carbon number 2, I have the 1 number of hydrogen. Carbon number 1, there is a no more hydrogen is directly added. So obviously Br minus is going to be added with the first carbon, and here I got the negative charge. That particular negative charge abstract the proton over to here. So what type of product I am going to get that? Here CH3 and carbon CH3 and a single bond CH and a CH3. So here the Br is going to be add and the hydrogen is going to be add that. So now you choose the longest hydrocarbon derivative. So this is the longest carbon derivative. You give the position of the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have the position of the 2-bromo 2-methyl butane system. So what is the option? So option 2-bromo 2-methyl butane system. Option C is the correct one. Thanks for watching.